Hello everyone, this is the second video of acids, bases and salts. In the first video, we have discussed the definition of acids and bases as well as the types of acids. If you have not watched that video yet, please click on the link given in the description. So as you know, we have discussed the types of acids. We are discussing now the types of bases. So there are different bases on which we can categorize bases. So first we will study on the basis of strength how we will classify the bases. So on the basis of strength there are two types of bases. The first one is strong bases and the second one is weak bases. So let's see what are strong bases. The bases which dissociate almost completely in their aqueous solution are known as strong bases. For example, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these are strong bases. What are weak bases? So the bases which dissociate partially or incompletely in their aqueous solution are known as weak bases. For example, NH4OH, this is an example of weak base, or CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, these all are the examples of weak bases. So strong bases which dissociate almost completely in their aqueous solution, weak bases which dissociate partially in their aqueous solution. Now on the basis of concentration. So concentration means how much quantity of base is there in the solution or in so on this basis the first one is dilute bases and the second one is concentrated bases. So dilute bases are those in which the quantity of base is less than the quantity of water, and concentrated base are those in which the quantity of bases is more than the quantity of water. So similar to the types of acids like dilute acids and concentrated acids, there are dilute bases and concentrated bases. So dilute means which contain more amount of water as compared to base, and the concentrated bases which contain more amount of base as compared to water. So hope you have understood it. And similarly like acids, we can make a concentrated base to dilute base by adding water in it. For example, if we have concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, it means it has more amount of NaOH as compared to water. So if you will add more water in concentrated NaOH solution at a time, it will become dilute base. So you can convert a concentrated base to a dilute base by adding water to it. So hope you have understood the classification of bases on the basis of concentration. Now the third classification is on the basis of acidity. So first of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of acidity. So acidity of a base is the number of OH minus ions given by one molecule of a base. Means, for example, NaOH, that is one molecule. So if you will dissociate, it will form Na plus OH minus. So how many ions of OH minus are being formed by one molecule of NaOH? That is 1. So its basis, its acidity will be 1. Similarly, we have CaOH whole twice. So it will form Ca2 plus 2OH minus. So one molecule of CaOH whole twice is forming two molecules of or two ions of OH minus. It means its acidity is 2. So the number of OH minus ions given by one molecule of a base on dissociation is known as acidity of that base. So on the basis of acidity, you can classify the bases. The first is monoacidic base. Monoacidic base. So monoacidic bases, the bases which give, mono means 1, so the bases which give 1 OH minus ion per molecule on dissociation, like NaOH. So it will give 1 OH minus ion per molecule. Similarly, we have KOH, so or LiOH. So these are the examples of monoacidic bases. Similarly, we have the examples of the second category is diacidic bases. Diacidic bases. Di stands for 2. So the bases which gives 2 OH minus ions per molecule on dissociation, those are called diacidic bases, as you have seen the example of CaOH whole twice. So it will give 2 OH minus ion. Similarly, MgOH whole twice. So this is the example of diacidic base. The third category, triacidic base. Tri stands for 3. So what is a triacidic base? Triacidic bases are those bases which give 3 OH minus ions per molecules on dissociation. So you can see some example like FeOH whole thrice. So this is the example of triacidic base. So for example, FeOH whole thrice, you can see it will give Fe3 plus OH minus ion. So these are the types of bases on which on the different bases. And if you have any problem in these topics, so please watch the video once again, or you can ask your question in the comment box. Thank you very much.